If you love lemon bars, you've got to try these. Instead of a shortbread crust, we're switching it out for a graham cracker crust, and they have such a creamy, lemony filling that's made with condensed milk. You are going to love it. For this easy graham cracker crust, you just need graham cracker crumbs, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Stir those all up, and then you want to press it into a lined 9x9 baking pan. And then we can get started on our filling, which is very similar to the filling for my lemon icebox pie. This filling comes out so creamy because of the sweetened condensed milk, and the fresh lemon juice and lemon zest gives it such a bright pop of lemon flavor. Round it all out with a pinch of salt and some eggs to give it structure, and your filling is ready. You can pour it over the graham cracker crust, and you're ready to bake. You want to bake these lemon bars until they are set and still a little jiggly in the center so that they're not overdone. I like to finish these lemon bars off with a light dusting of powdered sugar and some fresh whipped cream. It's just perfect on top. And that's it. I hope you guys like these lemon bars. You can get the full recipe at ShanaeToday.com.